ever since you let me try your tamale chipiling, I've been craving food from home, so I thought you could teach me how to make pan con pollo.
It's nothing special. A little bit of this and a little bit of that, I'm sure you can figure it out.
I'm going to need a little more guidance than that.
Essential Salvadoran Spices Part 2, Relajo. Relajo is another traditional spice in Salvadoran cuisine. The word relajo in Salvadoran slang can mean mess, chaos, or disorder. For example, tu vida es un relajo. Your life is a mess. Or, la gente está haciendo un gran relajo. People are making a big mess. But in the context of food, the word relajo translates to mix or blend of spices. Relajo contains pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, peanuts, guajillo chili, oregano, bay leaves, and achiote. This blend of spices is mostly used to elevate sauces. The spices are typically toasted and later added to a blender with tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Relajo gives a nutty flavor to the sauce, making it more complex. And the chilies and achiote gives this distinctive red color that makes the sauce more appealing to the eyes. This is the base sauce for pan con pollo or pan con pavo, and it's a very traditional dish shared in El Salvador during the holidays. And it's also the dish featured in my latest short film, Cooking with Claudia. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to watch the film. So what do you think of relajo? Would you try it?